Nano Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Tako-Doki for sending us the food on our table right now. If you notice, obviously these are takoyaki. Now in the middle, look at this. This is their large takoyaki, and I think lahat ng mga flavor, yung mga ingredients ay nandito. Getting popular as well, yung mga, large takoyaki, one of their must-tries din. Now, and let me introduce them to you one by one habang tinitikman natin sila. So this one is their salted egg. Minsan, may mga kababayan pa rin tayo na hinahanap nila yung panlasa na Pinoy. Although it's takoyaki, the flavor, it's Pinoy. We may say it's a fusion or mixed flavor na ginagawa ng mga business people na katulad ni Tako-Doki. At least natitikman ng mga Pilipino yung mga gustong flavors nila. So again, this is salted egg. Meron nga siyang salted egg sa loob, guys. I like that one. Good thing, yun yung unang kong natikman. Next is what they call Cheesebomb. So from the name itself, most probably, this is going to be, a cheese-based takoyaki. Get one. Whoa. So that one right there, it's like a classic takoyaki, but heavily on cheese. Now this is cheesy veggies, and if you notice, meron siyang parang floss on top. So from the name itself, I'm assuming, yeah, this is vegetable-based takoyaki. Wow! Now, before we proceed, meron silang mga drinks na pinadala sa atin. Now, these are lemon-based drinks din. So, wow, I like that. Parang siyang may infused ng milk tea. Ganon. Okay, now this one right here is called crab and corn. Right, so let's taste it. So while you're, chewing it, yung mga corn kernels nga is very evident. And lasa mo talaga yung mga crab ingredients niya. Now this one, it's called ham and cheese. So, di ba? This is the usual ham and cheese na alam natin. Flavors for different dishes. Available din siya sa takoyaki. Go! Naman ha? I have to commend now, guys. Yung kanilang mga takoyaki sauce dito has that very distinctive parang smoky sauce. Yung smoky taste ng sauce nila. It's good. It's really good. Now this one is called cheesy bacon. Diba? The usual cheesy bacon that we like. Available din siya sa flavor nila. Okay. Now, if you notice, guys, meron siyang mga bits of bacon nga on top. Oh yeah, I like it. I like that one. Ang dami niyang parang bacon bits inside it. So, para sa mga meat lovers, I think you're gonna go for that one. You're gonna go for that one. Now, ito naman, guys, is called Baby Octopus. So this one is a little bit of, seaside takoyaki. You get that taste of mga seafood dishes. And then lastly, dito sa mga naka-small pants nila is called TakoBits. And again, this is takoyaki, and then inside it are octopus bits. Okay. Now, let me tell you this one. This is plain lemonade. Very refreshing, but if you were to ask me, I think I'd still go for this one. It has that very unique na taste. Right, so ngayon natikman na natin yung kanilang mga flavors. Let's talk about detailed information about Tako-Doki. Okay, so ang outlet po nila are located sa Magliman and sa Dolores, City of Fernando, Pampanga. You can also do franchise or partner with them if you would like to venture in this kind of business. So available po sila. You can also have them at Grab and foodpanda. You can also invite them on your special occasions like wedding, birthday, or even an intimate gathering po. They can actually cook for you and enjoy these kinds of dishes on your occasions. And kung sakali naman mag-crave kayo guys, they do have their in-house deliveries. Make sure to contact them. At least guys, safe tayo sa bahay. No need for us to go outside para lang matikman natin yung ganitong kasarap na takoyaki. And lastly, in the middle, look at this. Very, very lovely presentation. So, napakaganda nito na, bring it along. Go ahead guys and order this one. Alright, so there you have it guys. If you were to ask me of all the flavors, ano ba yung must bet ko? Para sa akin, bagong-bago, this salted egg flavor really captured my taste bud. Napakasarap niya, lalong-lalo ako gusto ko yung mga native foods sa tas yung mga salted eggs nga, no? Good job, kudos to them dahil they were able to come up with these kinds of flavors. So thank you so much, Tako-Doki. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers guys. Thank you, Tako-Doki.